everybody, Megan West with the Coffey Group, Fine Homes International, and KW Suncoast, and I'm here with
Kurt Kraus Home Team.
Yes, and we are going to give you an amazing tour of this great property located in Sun City Center and Ruskin. So Kurt, why don't you show me around?
Yeah.
Flip this camera around here.
3604 Maricopa Court, like you said, here in Sun City Center and Ruskin. This house has over $150,000 worth of improvements and upgrades. Let's take you in and show you around.
Awesome. I can't wait to see the inside. Wow, it's so open in here.
Yeah, over 1,900 square foot, Megan, of just open, split floor plan, vaulted ceilings, not a strand of carpet in the entire place, new tile, laminate flooring throughout. And then as you take a look there at the remodeled kitchen with the gray cabinets and quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a large farm sink.
I love that sink, and you've got a view, so nobody should complain about doing the dishes after dinner, right?
No, absolutely not. Shouldn't have any problem finding volunteers for that. Of course, you've got that cute little dinette area, and then all the windows and doors in the entire place are impact windows and doors. So
that's a huge upgrade.
Amazing. Don't have to mess with those hurricane shutters in event that we have to put them up. You don't have to do that. So it's nice to.
That's awesome.
That. And that expansive lanai out there, Megan, is a nice place just to sip on your coffee or maybe a little vino late at night. And
wonderful. And this Florida fall feels so amazing out this morning. It's nice and cool. Look at this beautiful view. It's so serene and quiet.
And we're nestled right in the cul-de-sac of Cypress Creek Village, which is a pretty desirable area. We're right on that border of Sun City and Ruskin. Obviously, Sun City has over 150 clubs for all our retirees, and then Ruskin, of course, a short drive to Apollo Beach and Little Harbor, where they can enjoy sunsets on the beach and all that good stuff.
Awesome.
Let's take you around into the master suite.
Perfect. I can't wait. And this is a split floor plan home, so it's just the master suite on this side.
Got the master bath. It's an ensuite. You have a single vanity in that area, and then you have another single vanity as you enter into the master bedroom itself.
Wonderful.
Large walk-in closet.
So nobody's in anybody's way getting ready in the morning. That's huge in there too.
Yeah, little his and hers vanities there, which is nice. With plenty of countertop space. Perfect. And then you've got your private entrance into the lanai.
Very cool. So, Kurt, if people want to schedule a private showing or tour of this property or reach you, how could they reach out?
Absolutely. They can go to our website at kraushometeam.com. Under feature listings, it's there. And then also they can give us a call at 941-702-1311.
Awesome. Thanks, Kurt. I appreciate you showing me around.
Absolutely. Do you want to see the guest suites?
Yeah, let's do that.
Obviously, you've got this little flex area for the dining as we walk through. He uses it as an office.
Yeah.
Large laundry room.
Huge. And that goes to the 3-car garage, right?
3-car garage.
Wow.
Absolutely. Plenty of space for all your toys and storage. And there's one of our guest bedrooms. Hallway bath. All the bathrooms have been refreshed. Of course, you've got the remodeled kitchen. So it's really, truly a turnkey property. And then this is the guest suite off the rear of the property with a private entrance into the lanai as well.
That is fantastic. Well, I know the buyers of this property are absolutely going to fall in love with it.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thanks. Bye.